Hi everyone. So my topic is culture imperialism. So what is culture imperialism? So culture imperialism occurs when a dominant culture imposes its beliefs, values, and customs on the other culture, often eroding local traditions. So example of culture imperialism is the fast food chain. So for example, sa fast food chain is kanang McDonald's. So McDonald's is an example of cultural imperialism. The fast food culture that McDonald's introduces prioritizes convenience and efficiency, which can replace or marginalize traditional foods and dining habits. So, example sa cultural imperialism is kaning McDonald's. Kaya nga naman, ang i-prioritize sa McDonald's is ay lahang convenient na kayo sila dan kanang efficiency sad. So, mura na siya ang McDonald's is na-replace na to ang katong mga restaurant nga kanang katong mga traditional mga restaurants, katong mga foods nga atong makakuanan kay dili na kayo wala na sila like customer. It's because of the McDonald's, like mura og na-replace na sila sa McDonald's ba. Inga na ang cultural imperialism, like kanang dili na kay sila matagad. It's because naa may mas convenient pa sa ilaha, like sa McDonald's kay naa ray drive through, so dili kayo hassle or dili ka mogawas sa kanang mga sakyanan dito ra ka mo palit. So ingana bitaw kanang convenient kaayo ang McDonald's or other fast food chain kaysa sa mga restaurant na kailangan pa ka mo dine in. Ingana mana siya. So, let's proceed sa cultural misunderstanding. So, let's proceed sa cultural misunderstanding. So, Ford's low-cost truck, the Fiera meant ugly old woman in Spanish. Its caliente in Mexico was found to be slang for street walker. The Pinto was introduced in Brazil under the name of Corso, which was discovered to be Portuguese slang for a small male appendage. So, sa cultural misunderstanding is tayo mga different words and different meanings. So, lahi ang meaning niya sa kanang Spanish, lahi ang katong nga word is lahi po siya o meaning when it comes to Mexico. So, if dili nato sila i-understand delve deeper, so mura og atos lang ma-misunderstand jud nato ilahang culture or something nga na kay lahi-lahi as said dere nga lahi-lahi siya og meaning, like for example sa Fiera kay ugly old woman sa Spanish, then lahi na po na siya og meaning gabot sa Mexico. So, ingana. Pero kita as person is ato bitang i-understand jud nga kana word is because dili it doesn't mean nga ingana ang meaning sa tuwa is ingana na po siya sa lahi na country. So, next is Nike made a television and promoting its shoes with people from different countries saying, just do it, in their native language. Too late they found out that a Samburu African tribesman was really saying, I don't want this. So this is also example of cultural misunderstanding because kanang nag-promote siya og shoes sa different countries. So, lahi ang culture. So, ingana dayon ayan ang pagsabot niya kay kanang just do it, so kanang buhata lang jud ba ingana pero lahi na dito ang meaning sa lahi then na found out nila nga kanang sa kaning Samburu African tribesman kay ilaging gipasabot nga dili sila ganahan ingana. So marato, thank you.